everyone, good morning. This is Mary King from Kano Precision IT department. Today I'd like to talk about a small monk. If you cannot find it, just find us. As you know, high precision machining part in machining industry, especially for customized machining parts, need a high precision and high strict service demands, and small mount, especially small mount, sometimes just one single pieces. And also, as you know, our factory instruments are imported from Japan, Germany, and Taiwan. Customers from all over the world, after they finish visiting our factory, they spoke highly about our factory instrument. They surprised and said that we can make any machining parts except automatic boom. This is highly praised for our factory instrument. And you know, we own high precision machining machines, such as they are famous, such as Shadik and grinding machines, surface grinding machines, and internal and external circular machining, and CNC and so many. And you are welcome maybe someday to visit our factory. Also, all these instruments are the assurance of high quality. Also, we have high precision measuring instruments such as optical measuring instrument, imaging measuring instrument, coordinate measuring instrument, and microphones. So many in our quality control department. They are also the issuers of high precision quality. And you know, customer one cases from our sales is one day the customer requires a high precision machining parts, and they require us machining a dovetail on part service and another dovetail in another inside the part. They need to match very well, and the tolerance is at 0.02 mm to 0.004 mm. This is really hard job, and our technical engineers have a special meeting, and make a special solutions about this requires. After we finish this machining, these customers are very highly satisfied about our solutions, special solutions for this machining part, and very satisfied with our technical processing. So we also offering machining part for institute colleges and so on. So if you have small amount, even single piece, you cannot find good suppliers, just find us. We will give you a nice answer. Thank you. That's all.